If you're a runner, a cyclist, or just someone who gets their sweat on, you know the struggle, finding headphones that are comfortable, safe, and actually stay in. Traditional earbuds fall out, over-the-air headphones make you sweat, and neither of them let you hear a car coming. Well, the search is finally over. This right here is the SHOKZ OpenRun SE, and it's built differently. We're opening this up to see what's inside. When you're a fitness enthusiast, you want gear that works with you, not against you. The SHOKZ OpenRun SE headphones are designed to be that perfect partner. With their 8th generation bone conduction technology, they sit outside your ear, leaving you full aware of your surroundings, critical for safety on a run or bike ride. They're incredibly lightweight at just over ½ an ounce, so you'll forget you're even wearing them. The secure fit means they won't budge no matter how intense your workout gets. And with up to 8 hours of battery life and a quick charge feature, they're always ready to go. Plus, the built-in noise-canceling microphone ensures you can take a call without missing a beat, making them just as perfect for your work-from-home life as they are for your next marathon. So there you have it, the SHOKZ OpenRun SE. No more fidgeting, no more sweaty ears, and no more worrying about what you're missing on the road. If you're dealing with the same earbud frustration I have, you can check them out via the link in the description. Let me know in the comments below, what's your biggest workout pet peeve? And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more unboxings like this one. Thanks for watching.